in today's video I'm going to show you how you can apply Mousse Foundation, which is also known as whipped foundation. And if you haven't heard of Mousse foundations, then this might also be because it isn't as known nowadays as it used to be, I would say 5 to 10 years ago. As I also believe that liquid foundations just took over the market and now everything is liquid or cream, but no one is really talking about mousse. Even though mousse has a very light finish and also like a lightweight finish, it gives you a matte finish and it's so easy to use and apply. Now, if you don't know me yet, my name is Mousse Foundation and I'm a makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how you can apply Mousse Foundation, as this is suitable for people with dry skin and also with combination skin and mature skin. So basically, if you have also textured skin, the Mousse Foundation, because of the texture itself, will give you a beautiful finish, and still it will give you a matte finish, because normally if you have any dry areas, you always get finishes of foundation that are very luminous and shiny, but still if you want to get it matte, then it's difficult to find a foundation. Now the Mousse Foundation is also perfect for this one, and it's also great for an everyday use as it applies so easy. Now you can apply the Mousse Foundation either with your fingers, make sure that they are clean, or you can use a brush or a damp sponge. Now, from my experience and what I can recommend you is that you're basically just going to use your fingers. And if you don't want to use your fingers, then my second preference is using a damp makeup sponge. So those are the ones that I can recommend to use so that you will get a gorgeous finish. I personally don't like to use a brush with it, but this is just my personal preference. It also depends on what you're used to working your products into your skin. Now I'm going to show you today on how you can use your fingers and apply it and get a gorgeous finish. Also, what's really important when it comes to the tools, I also would recommend finding a moisturizer in your skin type so that you can prep your skin before you're applying any makeup on top. Now with that being said, I just want to move on to the first step. Step number 1, prep your skin. Before you're applying any foundation, make sure that you're starting off with a clean face and you're using a moisturizer that's suitable for your skin type. With clean and washed hands, gently apply the moisturizer to your face with your fingers, and also don't forget to let the moisturizer soak in for a bit before moving forward. Now for step number 2, you want to make sure that you're finding the right foundation shade. And the same is with mousse foundations, as it needs to be suitable with your skin tone in general, so that you can balance everything out and you won't see it different and still will give you a very natural finish. Now I have this shade right here, which is matte ivory, and I'm using the Essence Mousse Foundation, as I also saw that on their website they have 11 different shades, which is not bad. They have a light range, they have also a medium range and a darker range, so that if you're looking for something and you can't really find your shade, have a look at the different brands that provide mousse foundation so that you're making sure that you're getting the right shade. So now let's move on to step number 3. Step number 3, apply the mousse foundation to your face. From my experience, applying mousse foundation with your fingers gives you the best finish when compared to a sponge or a brush. However, it depends also on your preference. Dot the foundation with your fingers onto your forehead, nose, cheek and chin before blending it into the skin. Step number 4, blend the mousse foundation. Using circular motions, you can start blending the foundation into the skin with your fingers to achieve an even look. If you need more foundation on certain areas, dip into the mousse foundation again and blend it into your skin for a flawless finish. Now that you understand how to apply mousse foundation, give it a try. Mousse foundation will give you a long-lasting look that you can take from day to night. Now this is how quick and easy you can blend in your mousse foundation by just using your fingers, and this is a great step where you can just apply the mousse foundation on its own, and this is how you leave the house for work or for school. Or you can also put it into your makeup routine that you have and still have a gorgeous and beautiful look together with lips and eyes. Now, if you're curious and you want to know on how you can apply the BB cream, as this is also a sheer coverage or to medium coverage base, then I also can recommend you to check this video out, as this is also where I'm going to show you step by step on how you can apply it. Now, this is basically what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!